Okay, I'm going to get busy because I'm going to try to do this little dandelion picture in about 5 minutes. I want you to be able to see it, so I need to make sure my hand's in the right place. This is the dandelion. This is just a chart of some of the flowers that appear in my yard. You kind of have to look for them, but, well, actually, you don't have to look for them. My yard is mostly wildflowers and weeds. But that's all right, because I get to paint them. Joke's on them. Okay. So I'm just making these little short strokes to get a different yellow. These paints are super cheap, but they're really pretty good. I mean, you know, for the price, it's a nice variety of color, and they look pretty good once you get them on the page. Oh, there you go, there we go. Doesn't that look nice? I'll try to move my hand so you can see. Oh yeah, I love that. That's pretty. And then I think I'm going to put it right in the center too. See, like just right there in the center. Can you see that? Yeah, maybe, kinda. My hand is in the way, maybe, I don't know. Pull it out. Okay. Now for the greens. You know, you can eat dandelion greens, of course. You probably know that. But, yeah, you can. I'm going to get this green right here. I think that looks kind of dandelion green. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. And here we go. I'm just going to do some of these leaves. Leaves. It's a little bit olive. But, you know, I can always green it up. You know, I can always make it brighter if I put a little yellow in it. It's not much brighter than that, though. Here's a very light green up here. I'll just kind of add that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's kind of cool. That looks kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of mottled in there. Hard to see. This is a cheap webcam. I'm doing all of this very low tech because I don't have the money for high tech. I'm trying to do this in under 5 minutes and I keep delaying. Right, shut up and paint, right? Excuse me. I hope you can see and that my hand's not in the way. I tried to do a video earlier with one of these and my hand was so right in the middle of it that I couldn't use it. I did the wood sorrel. I ended up not being able to use it because you couldn't see anything I was doing. How boring is that? Okay, last leaf is kind of behind the flower. Back in here. So I'm going to do the top. Hopefully it won't bleed into the dandelion any. There we go. And then come around here. You can kind of see it peeking through. I'm going to try to leave the stem so I can come back and paint it maybe a lighter color, a lighter green, because you want to be able to distinguish the stem from the leaf. So just like that. And then, again, I hope my hand's not right in the way. Oh, gosh. That just picked up a whole chunk of paint. These things are cheap. They really are. But they're good paints. I mean, honestly. For the money, they're very saturated. You kind of get your money's worth. Okay. Let me clean that edge up a little bit. And then I'm going to take a lighter green, something like this, and do the stem so that it's really distinguished from the rest. And I'm going to leave a little highlight, a little white space, so that you can kind of see it. It might look like a highlight. Put a little bit of brown underneath the flower to indicate a shadow. A little bit of brown, just like that. Okay, you know what? I just went over 5 minutes, so there's my dandelion. Bye.